timbers!
Welcome, Buccaneers, to the Pixel Pirate Plays Roguelikes. This is your host, the Pixel Pirate, and today we are taking a look at Risk of Rain. Or I should say, we are going to die horribly in Risk of Rain, because it's freaking hard. I anticipate my first run will last less than a minute. That's how hard it is. Basically, this game is, well, it is a roguelike, of course. It's not turn-based combat. It is procedurally generated and it is permadeath. So, as long as it fits two things of the roguelike list, then I'm happy. So let's get started. You can choose a commando or a miner. I'm actually going to go for the commando because I'm big and tough and it makes me feel like a big man. Alright, so in this game you have abilities. It is similar to a MOBA style game. Oh god. Already starting. Alright, at least it's only one guy. I can knock him back with my regular attack here. I have another 3 kind of attacks. Well, I should say abilities, because not all of them are attacks. Basically, I've got my regular attack, which has a knockback on particular enemies. Then I've got a sort of a shotgun blast. Then a dodge roll, which is very handy, I have to say. And then a machine gun type attack. And of course, jump. Right. Oh, good God. Yep, that's right. Quarter of my health is gone. Alright. We're in a safe position here. And I am going to stay here. Yes, I'm going to cheat quite a bit. As much as I can, in fact. In this freaking game. Oh, God. Ah! Ah! Gotcha. Oh, glad I got him. Because this guy is going to kill me horribly. Or at least he would have if I hadn't killed that golem. Or mini golem it is. Yes, this game is very, very difficult. Monsters appear out of nowhere. They just teleport for no particular reason. And I have actually leveled up already. Oh god. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh god. Alright, got one of them at least. So there's no knockback on these guys. I have to be really careful. Jeez. This game really reminds me of Another World. See, that guy just appeared out of nowhere. There's no rhyme or reason to that. This game just freaks me out constantly. Oh god, when there's more than 2, you can still knock them back, but they eventually gain ground on you. I've actually lasted longer than I thought I would, to be honest. Now these guys can jump. Oh god. That flame can't jump. Oh no. Speaking of flames. Great. Oh jeez. Oh man. Oh god. Now there's 5. Jesus. Please kill someone. Yikes. I am totally gonna die. Oh crap. To run away. That is the best thing I can do at this point in time. They're not going to give up though. And there's more guys. Great. I'm totally going to die really soon. 12 health. Oh god. Yep, that's me. Dead. Yeah. That's how hard this freaking game is. You're not supposed to win. And I'm on very easy difficulty. That's how bad it is. I lasted 3 minutes, 29 seconds, and I consider that a good run for this game. So let's try again. It's just impossible, this game. It is dependent quite a bit on luck, if I'm completely honest. For example, I have run into this chest. I have no money whatsoever, so I can't open it. But there could be some awesome items in there. I ran into something a while ago in a previous run where you could pay money and sort of put a... not a curse, but it's like an idol that grants favors to you. And I happen to get a... what's in here? Some health. I happen to get a poison aura, which was pretty cool. But most chests cost money, so ain't gonna open those anytime soon. Till I kill some stuff at least. There's no fall damage in this game, which is good. Oh, there is fall damage. Wow, I just made myself look like a complete and utter fool. Is this anything? No, it's just some rubble. Yeah, there's no real explanation as to why you're actually in this world that you're in, other than that you're in it and you need to survive. So, very sci-fi. Finally got some guys to kill here. It's been pretty quiet so far. I find though that once you start killing stuff, other stuff finds you, just like these two guys. Oh, wasted that. Come on, you're gonna dart for me, I know it. Ah! Very opportune time. Jeez. You can't stay in one place for very long, that's for sure. Oh, I should be using my dodge a little bit more. Oh, jeez, wrong button. Yeah, there's like loads more guys now. I'm gonna jump off here because I'm gonna die otherwise. And I'll go up here. Those floaty jellyfish are still going to try and get me though. That is for sure. I am loving the difficulty of this game as much as I'm complaining about it. Oh god. Run, run, run. You are definitely doing a lot of that in this game. Oh god. Ah! That was not the opportune time. Damn it, he got me anyway. Alright, time to jump off here. Yeah! Oh god! Alright. Let's see if I got enough money to, Ooh. No, I do not. Damn it. Holy crap, what is that thing? Yikes. I can't run forever. I can sure try though, and it didn't work. Alright. I've broken every bone in my body, apparently. Oh, I was killed by a greater wisp. Okay, let's try again. Got up to level 3 that time. And off we go. So as I said, this is in beta, but for a beta, it's not bad, I have to say. It's pretty feature-packed. Oh crap. Damn it. I'm gonna die here. And predictably, a jellyfish has turned up. Not actually sure the name of those things, I just call them jellyfish because they look like one. I'm curious whether the jellyfish will find me. It does. It's not enough to get it off the screen. Oh god. Ah. Oh, level up. Oh god. Yeah, yeah. Okay, predictably, things have started to kill me. Yeah. That machine gun type attack actually takes quite a bit of their health, which is good. Oh god. Let's hope some Let's hope no guys show up whilst I'm opening that, and indeed they did not, which is excellent. Yeah. The problem with that shotgun attack is it opens you to attack, getting attacked I should say. I'm just glad that those dinosaur type guys cannot actually reach me. As in they can't go off platforms or anything else. Oh god! It's actually hard to keep track of how your attacks cool down because you're too busy trying to not die. Yeah, I'd say these are the weakest of the enemies. The dinosaur type guys. I'm not actually sure if they're dinosaur-like at all, it's just that they have tails. So I'm going to presume that they are. Ooh, what is that? Every 4 basic attacks pierce through enemies. Ooh. That's handy. Oh god. Nearly got some fall damage there. Not in the best place over here, so I'm gonna see what's over here. 3. I'll wait and use my armor piercing for the inevitable. Whee. Yeah. Damn it. Ah. Well, got one. Yes, I was going to say the inevitable onslaught of enemies, which has indeed happened. Jesus Christ, this guy's strong. Yikes! And he has what looks like a load of flame after him. Duh. I'm going to have to jump off, I think. Well, it could kill you. Maybe you'll drop something pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. Oh god. Bad. These guys are bad because they got a strong or long attack, I should say, a high range. I'm out of here. That's it for me. That's a shame, really, because I wanted to kill that guy. See if he dropped anything awesome. Yeah. Ow. Where's all your friends? No, they're not showing up just yet. And a nice little chest. Thank you very much. Definitely needed that health. Oh god. Run away from... How the crap am I going to get away from these guys? Oh, there's a jumpy thing here. Off I go. Oh god, they can use that too! Oh, oh no, no, bad. Well, at least that goes through people. Yikes. I am gonna die horribly here. Oh god, a golem. Should I risk jumping off? I probably should. Damn it. Ah. Ah. Oh crap. I'm in a bit of limbo here. Damn it. I'm really just prolonging the inevitable here. Looks like that wisp can't get out of the attack. And here are the... Oh god. I am really stuck between a rock and a hard place here. I'm out of here. Run, 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 run. Oh, those guys can jump. Those green fellows. Oh dear. Well, I evaded him for now. What's in this? Nothing, it's just a piece of terrain. Alright. Yeah! Run, 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 run. Definitely delaying the inevitable here. Oh. Run away and live to fight another day, as they say. Wow, that all rhymed. Oh, crap. Oh, that wasn't very good dodging. Ah! Ah! Yikes. There's loads of these guys. Ouch. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I have passed away. Oh dear. Well, I lasted 7 minutes in that one, so that was not bad at all. And with that, I will think I'll finish here and quit while I'm not ahead at all. So this has been Risk of Rain. You can actually download it from their website, and it is in the description. So it is currently in beta, as I said, so keep that in mind. But it is pretty solid for a beta, so I'm pretty happy with it indeed. It is very difficult. Probably the most difficult roguelike I've actually played on the series, I think. So if you like difficulty, then this is the game for you, that is for sure. This has been your host, the Pixel Pirate, and we will see you next time.
Shiver me timbers!